Right, hello guys, welcome to another video. I'm in South Wales today for an overnight with a very special YouTuber by the name of Boyz In The Wood. Guys, let's get into it. I've managed to hike up and snap my ankles in the wonderful woods, and I've met this guy here. Hey! We're here at shelter number 1. We're going to go onto the big build in a minute, but we've got Geraint from Boyz In The Wood.
How's it going?
How's it going, guys? But yeah, not a bad hike up.
Well, it was brilliant when you fell. Made it for me. Didn't get on camera, sorry guys.
This is the first shelter. We're just going to have a bit of a breather because I'm knackered. I'm too unfit. We're just going to have a couple of beers and then head over to the big build. Check in a minute. Here we are. Just about to come through to the one and only Boyz In The Wood big build. Look at it. It's just absolutely stunning. All the hard work of this man here.
And a couple of others.
And a couple of others. It's so good. Look at it. Look at this place. We're on the walk in the boardwalk.
Boardwalk.
Out on the boardwalk.
Boardwalk.
Look at it. It's absolutely epic. So we're big blokes and it's taken us. So appreciate you.
Mine weight at 30 odd stone, isn't it?
About that.
I'm 15 and a half.
Yeah, I'm 17 and a half.
There you go then. So what's that, 32 stone, 33 stone?
So I trust your building skills, Gez.
Yeah.
Just.
None of it's nailed in or pinned in yet though. Well, there's no nails in this build at all.
HSE will have a field day, wouldn't they? In the wood. We've just done the big build. Now we're on a woodland wild camp in the first shelter. And we're ready to pound some stakes into the ground and get a cook on. Oh man. Oh, that's cruel. Right, so Gez has very kindly split up some wood for me. I've got 4 little hazel posts here, wire sticks, that we're going to do the kebabs on. And the fat wood shavings that Gez gifted me, I'm actually going to use to start the fire now. So we're going to see how that goes. Right, and guys, it's a massive gust of wind, so apologies, hopefully you can hear me. I'm just going to be taking the bark off of this hazel rod, and basically what that means is we're able to put our meat on it, and it's hygienic then. So we're just going to scrape away this hazel bark here with the back of our knife, the spine of our knife, and as you can see here, it just takes it away and makes it nice and clean, and you get rid of all that grubby stuff then, because you don't want that in your food. So I've just got some different mixed peppers and chopped red onions cooking in the cast iron skillet today. Ready for the kebabs. And the kebabs are looking very good indeed, if I do say so myself.
Oh, they do.
Yeah, look at this. So Gez has come up with a really good idea of crisscrossing the sticks over so that they're self-supporting and they can hold each other up then. We got the kebabs on the Y sticks, sizzling away are our peppers and onions. We got our kebab breads, our little flatbreads there, just warming through. And then we got some wild rocket and some tzatziki dip. So we're hunkering down, aren't we, in Tarp City?
Oh yeah.
Tarp City, USA. It's we called it a refugee camp.
Yeah, it's like we're in Cali.
It's it's really. So we've got the last of the fire just dying out there, as you can see, and we've made my 3x3. Well, you saw the shelter anyway. So we've got a lean-to shelter with the log pile, as you can see there, and we're hunkered down in the bivvy bags. And we've just used my 3x3 and then Gez's loose tarp here, just as a bit of a wind block more than anything. So we are really, really cosy and toasty in here, but it does look a bit haphazard. But we're gonna hunker down for the night and we'll see you in the morning for breakfast. Good night. Morning everybody. I've slept like absolute shit. Saggy tops and achy backs. It's actually a beautiful sunrise, just trying to poke its head out through the trees there. Just sitting and having a quick coffee in the morning. Nice cappuccino that Gez has knocked up for us. Cheers, Dade.
Cheers, man. Yes! Bushcraft at its best. I'm not even sure how to tackle this one.
It's a beast, isn't it?
Like mushroom steaks.
Yeah, they're going to be good on the grill. Breakfast is served. We've got black pudding, sausages, mushrooms, egg, all on flatbreads. Beautiful. I've just sourced some hazel from over there and I've made this little pot hanger off camera. If you want to see me make the pot hanger, go over to Gez's channel because I think he filmed some of it. But yeah, just doing a coffee over the fire now. So gonna get some coffee on the go and then we'll get breakfast on. But yeah, just a simple pot hanger I'll show you here. It's on hazel, little beak notch. And then I've, like I say, sourced a nice hazel rod with a Y tick in it. Two cups of coffee. Right guys, that's us all done, packed away. Left as little trace as possible, but it is a permanent bushcraft shelter as you can see. So it was a sort of semi-abandoned one that that Gez and Gav found a little while ago. But yeah, it's been a really good camp. Really nice to meet you.
Brilliant, mate, yeah.
Really good to meet you, dude. If you did enjoy the video at any point, give it a little like below. Don't forget to subscribe down below. Check out Boyz In The Wood. Link will be in the description below. Subscribe to them, please. And also follow the Big Build series as well. Check out the back catalogue. Gez has been working very hard on that. So, right, without further ado, guys, that's it. I'll see you in the video. Take care. See you next time.
Yo. Entering the planet, we were born in 1990. Censoring the damage through the years quite precisely. Peppering the cabbage every day with new rhyme schemes. Venturing the stranger then.
Sorry, Rob. Can you start again? I don't like to be filmed in this coat.
Okay.
It's a terrible coat, you see, because things like that. I can't afford a new coat. Nah, you know, it's a few years old.
Right, if you are watching, please donate just £2 a month to get Gez a new coat. Hey guys, welcome to another video. We are here with Gez from Boyz In The Wood and we're going to beat the shit out of you. Let's get into it.